Hello everyone, my name is Payal. So, good morning to all of you. My day starts at 4 am. And the first thing I do is to meditation. And after that, I usually prefer to do inhale and exhale for better breathing experience. After this, I finish the water from the copper bottle, which is kept overnight. It took half hours to do all this work and it is already 4:30 am. Now I go to brush and then I prepare my morning tea. I usually revise the previous day's notes with my tea and it took around 30 minutes. Now my session first has started, which will run for 3 hours till it will be 8 o'clock. Just because our mind is too fresh in the morning. Then I go to take a shower. So now I am little bit confused. What should I wear today? Laddu Gopal. And finally, I decided to choose the pink one. And my Laddu Gopal look like this. After that, I take a break of 1 hour. And in that break, I like to read newspaper or to do extra activities. After this, I help Mama with lunch. And now it's 10:30 am. My lunch has been look like this. Now it's time for the session second, which will run for 2 hours. Till it will be 12:30 pm. Now I will take afternoon sleep, which will be 2 hours. When I woke up, it will be 2:30 pm already. Now it's time for the session number 3, which will be again for 3 hours. Because I just woke up and my mind feels so fresh, just like morning. So right now I finish my third session with full of energy and it's 5:30 pm now. From 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. I followed my hobby, which is singing. Yeah, and I will give my another channel's link below so you can watch it out. If you like, please thumbs up. Now it's time for last session, which is session number 4, which will again about 3 hours. And at 10 p.m. I'm done with all study sessions. So now I will go to sleep. So this was my day routine. Hope you guys enjoy the video. For getting more updates, press the bell icon. Thank you so much.